FYI, that water is frigid. It is so cold. Does it bother Bailey? Oh no. She's going to get her boogie board on. There she goes. Catching a wave, hanging 10. Living the dream. With no pantalones. It's kind of a cold, not too cold, but kind of a dreary day. But that doesn't stop my girl. Here she goes. Oh, good one, good one. Yeah! That was a good one, babe. Let's go get her reaction on how she felt about her first run. Bailey, how'd you feel about that first run?
The first one? No.
That water is so cold.
The ocean has to give me some better waves. But the second time, I was like, okay, Bailey, I'll give you a wave. And then I came back in. And then God was making fun of me. He was like, look, why don't I just make her wipe out and stuff? So.
But you look awesome.
Well, yeah. Don't do this. Kids, don't do this unless you have parent
supervision.
Yeah.
Okay, give a big kiss to everybody at home. Bye.